Good afternoon, welcome. This is 2016 Jamb government pass question. Question number 36. The foremost British trading company on the West African coast was dash. The foremost British trading company on the West African coast was dash. A. The Royal Niger Company. B. United African Company. C. Livers Brothers. D. John Off and Sons. So when we talk of on the coast of Africa, means in Africa continent. So the first British trading company on the shore of Africa is the Royal Niger Company. Option A. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.